Class 8 Science Force. What is force? Types of force, contact and non-contact force, and the effects of force.
Today we are going to study about forces. So there is a pull or push force. The force causes movement of the object. What are the effects of force? So force can be stop moving the object, that is catch a ball, obstruct a moving object, apply a car brake. So stop करना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या है, डायरेक्शन को चेंज करना है. तो डायरेक्शन, हाउ टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन? बाय मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. जैसे या तो रोटेट कर दीजिए आप उसको, या इसको ऑब्जेक्ट को दूसरे डायरेक्शन में मोड़ दीजिए, दूसरी दिशा में मोड़ दीजिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज चेंज द शेप. सो अप्लाई फोर्स टू change the shape, that is to deform the shape, to hit it, to make it into a pieces, like hammer hit, brick the stone. ओके, ब्रिक्स और स्टोन को क्या कर सकते हैं, हैमर से या तो हिट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो इससे क्या होगा, पीसेस में ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा. इसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फ्रूट्स को कट कर सकते हैं पीसेस में, ये भी एक तरह का शेप चेंज है. नेक्स्ट क्या है, स्पीड चेंज करना. तो एक्सेलरेशन. ओके, एक्सेलरेटर होता है, ओके, व्हीकल्स में, कार में, स्कूटर में. दिस प्रोवाइड्स एक्सेलरेशन. आइदर यू कैन increase the speed or you can decrease the speed by brake or something. Okay, so you can also push the object with a high force. Okay, that way you can change the speed, or with the obstruction you can also decrease the speed of the high moving object. Okay, high speed moving object. So आप speed को भी change कर सकते हैं. next आप क्या कर सकते हैं, with the force, if you have two objects to interact. Okay, so force apply in equal and opposite direction. if you apply push, okay, तो क्या करते हैं हम, अगर एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम पुश करेंगे तो आप भी उसमें से पीछे, आपको भी इफेक्ट होगा. तो इफ वी पुश अदर ऑब्जेक्ट, then a back force is applied. So there is an action, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So force apply in equal and opposite डायरेक्शन. सो दिस इज अकर व्हेन द टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स इंटरैक्ट. मतलब दो ऑब्जेक्ट है, अगर आपने उसको मारा तो एक वाला ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे वाले ऑब्जेक्ट को भी फोर्स लगाएगा. आपने किसी चीज़ को पुल किया, सो नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑल्सो पुल्ड आउट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज force in same direction. So if the force is same direction, then the forces are added, like F1 force and F2 force are added together, so it will move the object in a single direction. Now if the two forces are acting equally and oppositely, remember equally. Okay, so equal हो गई अगर दोनों तरफ से force, तो net force क्या हो जाएगी, 0. Okay, hence F1 equal to F2. Now the second one is unequal or unbalanced force. Okay, so if force 1 is greater than force 2, then the object will move forward. If force 1 is smaller than force 2, then the object will move in the force 2 direction. So it depends if force 1 is greater than force 2 or force 2 is greater than force 1. So the movement of the direction is of the bigger force, यानी कि जो बड़ी वाली force होगी उसी direction में object जो है वो मूव करेगा. एंड दिस इज ऑफ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एन अनबैलेंस्ड और अनइक्वल फोर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्स. सो वी हैव टू टाइप ऑफ फोर्सेस, द कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स एंड द नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. द कॉन्टैक्ट force has another three forms: muscular force, mechanical force and frictional force. And the non-contact forces and another three forms, that is magnetic force, gravitational force and electrostatic force. Okay, muscular, mechanical and frictional are contact force, and magnetic, gravitational and electrostatic are the non-contact forces. Now coming on to the next topic. Okay, so next topic is muscular force. So what is muscular force? The heartbeat, breathing, swallow food and expel the waste. Okay, you have to drag, kick, pick, lift or carry. You use this muscular force. Okay, like a man is picking the bag, or a horse and camel is pulling the cart. Okay, an elephant is carrying a load, or a mule or donkey is carrying a load. So these are the example of muscular force. Now coming on to the next is a mechanical force. So what is mechanical force? It is a machine exerted force to the object. Like a car engine moves a car, a hammer hit the nail, a screwdriver fix the screw. So these are the mechanical forces. Okay, the objects are exerted a force by the help of machine. Okay, so in this machine are the external source of energy. Now coming on to next is the frictional force. So what is frictional force? यानी एक तरह की रेजिस्टिव फोर्स होती है, ये जैसे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा है तो इसको ये रेजिस्ट करती है, लाइक कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. सो फ्रिक्शन में क्या होता है? स्टार्ट और स्टॉप मूविंग द व्हीकल और अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक. फ्रिक्शन इज ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. ओके, फ्रिक्शन हमेशा फ्रिक्शन किस डायरेक्शन में होता है? ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. लाइक साइकिल स्टॉप बाय ब्रेक, पुश सम ऑब्जेक्ट एंड स्टॉप इट. ओके, इसमें क्या करेंगे आप कि जैसे कि साइकिल का ब्रेक लगाना होगा और किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पुश करना होगा, ठीक है, तो उससे आप करेंगे. या आपने फ़ैन ऑन किया होगा कभी, इफ़ यू हैव ऑन द फैन देन इट विल टेक टाइम टू अटेन द फुल स्पीड. पूरी स्पीड आने में उसे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. ओके, मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नॉन कंटैक्ट फोर्स. नॉन कंटैक्ट फोर्स इज without touching. Okay, these are the three form: magnetic, gravitational, and electrostatic. The magnetic forces are attraction and repulsion of magnet with the another magnetic substance. Okay, so magnets क्या करते हैं? या तो एक magnets to magnet attract होगा या repel होगा. जैसे north और south attract होंगे, but south या north like poles generally repel and unlike poles attract each other. Now the magnetic force do not contact but have some distance. Okay, कुछ डिस्टेंस से ही मैग्नेट जो होता है वो एक पुल कर लेता है, ठीक है, या फिर रिपेल कर देता है. क्यों होता है ऐसा? क्योंकि मैग्नेटिक फोर्स जो होते हैं वो थोड़े डिस्टेंस से ही काम करते हैं. ओके, दे मे आइदर अट्रैक्ट और रिपेल, एंड द मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस अट्रैक्ट आइदर अ मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस और substances which are like iron or other substances. Okay, these are attracted by the magnet. Okay, so this is the magnetic force. Next one is the gravitational force. So what is gravitational force? It is a force by which the earth pull an object towards the center of gravity. Okay, this is a force that pulls an object back to the earth. Like if you throw something, if you throw a ball upwards, then it will fall back due to gravitational force. Okay, or if you throw some object, then it will fall back onto the ground due to this presence of this force. Also there is a gravitational force between two objects, like planets attract each other, like moon and earth attract. Okay, they have some gravitational force that pulls, okay, each other. And we have planets, sun, asteroids, these show a pull between them. So this is due to the presence of gravitational force. But the objects which are very small in size, they do not show the gravitational force much, but the larger objects show naturally gravitational force. So gravitational force is a natural force. And what is the moon's gravity? Moon's gravity is 1/6 of the earth's gravity. Okay, and what is the gravitational force on earth is 9.8 meter per second. So any object which is falling down has an acceleration of 9.8 meter per second. Now there is a very important thing: if the object is heavy, the force is greater. The force applied by the gravity is greater if the object is heavy. If the object is light, then the force applied by the gravity is low. So if object is heavy, greater force is applied, it is pulled more with a more speed, and if the object is light, then there is a low force of gravity. Okay, example is like if you throw a heavy stone, okay, it will fall instantly. And if you throw a feather, okay, feather, if you throw a small feather or small cotton, then it is a light object, so it will settle down after some time. Okay, so this is the difference between the gravitational force. Now coming on to the electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is a charged object that repel or attract due to electrostatic force. Okay, so this force is between the charged object, two charged object, either a negatively or a positively. It will attract a neutral charged object. Okay, now the branch of science which study the behavior of charged object, okay, this is known as electrostatistics. This is a branch of science which study the behavior of charged object. Okay, example of this electrostatic is when we rub a plastic plastic comb or plastic scale on the scalp, and there is a bits of paper, so that will attract. Okay, that will attract. The bits of paper have a neutral charge, and the plastic comb or plastic scale is charged by the scalp, so thus it will have an electrostatic attraction. Now coming on to the next example, I hope you have seen, when you are standing close to the TV screen, your synthetic clothes will attract, because TV screen is negatively charged and it will attract the neutral charged clothes. It will attract the neutral charged clothes. Okay, so this is due to the presence of electrostatic forces. Now coming on to next is polythene bag. Polythene bag with the pulses kept in it. if you uh, if you uh, if you have seen that जब हम खाली करते हैं पॉलीथीन बैग में से पल्स को, तो क्या होता है कि कुछ पल्सेस रह जाती हैं आपकी पॉलीथीन बैग में, एंड दैट रिमेनिंग पल्सेस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द electrostatic force of attraction. So this is how the electrostatic force of attraction works. Now what is a charge? A charge repel or attract the other object due to electrostatistics. Okay, I hope you understand this chapter very well. Thank you.
For free and useful online studying, please subscribe to my channel Amplify Studying. In this channel, you will learn about science, biotechnology, biology, English, and many motivational quotes. I hope you like. Thank you.